I am Pragya and I bring to you excerpts from the current issue of Outlook, which looks at two cover stories. 1. Ground reports from 5 states going to polls through 3 vectors of identity, gender, and health. And will the outcome decide which way the wind will blow in the 2024 general elections? Second cover story continues to be on Palestine, titled From the River to the Sea. From the Overlap, a section that looks at news and current affairs from Outlook's special lens. Deserted by Ashutosh Verma and Vikram Raj, independent journalists. Communities living in the Thar Desert in Rajasthan have been abandoned by all stakeholders. Thar Desert, one of the world's most distinctive deserts, renowned for its stunning vistas and extensive cultural history, is also home to indigenous people and immigrants who are fighting for their survival, especially in the Barmer and Jaisalmer regions in the Indo-Pak border area. The population of the area is diverse, consisting of Rajputs, Jats, Bishnois, Meghwals, and other groups, each with their own customs and cultural practices. The socio-economic situations of the people in this area is tough, to say the least. Water scarcity and drought are widespread and recurring problems that affect livestock and crop output. There is seasonal migration, and many of the local people work in agriculture, construction, and other industries. The opportunities for children are limited since it's a struggle to provide access to education in remote areas. In some regions, there aren't many healthcare centers, so getting medical care can be very challenging too. After speaking with the residents of several villages in Sheo, an assembly in Barmer district of western Rajasthan, close to the Indo-Pak border, we found that connectivity, healthcare, power, education, and agriculture needed urgent attention. As compared to other parts of the country where people have access to 5G network connectivity, these areas and its residents are still decades behind. People in these locations don't even have simple network connectivity. They are so powerless that when they have any kind of a health problem, they simply prefer to die because there aren't adequate medical facilities or even basic medical services. Rajasthan has several schemes and services, but on the ground, the western part of the state is totally ignored. And due to this neglect, the residents are suffering. Children are still hoping for a source of formal education. Western Rajasthan has a thriving cultural heritage that includes indigenous music, dance, and painting. Diwali and Holi are 2 festivals that are enthusiastically celebrated. Indigenous customs and ceremonies, such as the Bishnoi community's conservation efforts, add to the area's rich cultural heritage. For the promotion of their art and tradition and for the protection of their customs, many people have moved from city to city and village to village. Here, women are typically in charge of taking care of the home and raising the children. For this and more, read the current issue of Outlook.